Henry, don't press the button.
Are you ready?
Henry.
Hi, Henry. My name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule.
Don't press the button.
Can I push it?
No, I want to.
Don't press the button. Seriously, Henry, don't even think about it. Don't, Henry. Don't, Henry. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. You're going to make the monster change. No, Henry, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. Henry, no one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Now, I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dotted. Push it 2 times, Henry. That's 2 times. Be gentle so you don't tear the book up. Ah! Now there's 2 of me, Henry. Push it a bunch of times. All right, what do you think's gonna happen?
10,000 of them.
Uh-oh. Look how many there are.
I knew it.
Henry, shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. You think they're gonna disappear?
Only some of them.
Henry, almost. A little more. Shake it a little bit more. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Henry, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal.
No.
Scratch his tummy. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better, Henry. Let's not push that button anymore. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. You pushed it,